that there's no echoes. That's what these fiberglass wedges are for. They're designed to absorb the sound. You also notice we stepped up. This is an isolated floor, so we're vibration isolated. It's a double wall construction so that we reduce a lot of the outside noise. Right now the air conditioning is on in here. This is what you need in your house, right? So you can sleep at night. So it's a very quiet environment. We're a NAVLAP accredited lab, so we can issue official accredited test reports. Some of the agencies like GS-Mark and for Blue Angel, say in Germany or other countries, require accredited test reports. We run our main tests according to an ISO standard 7779 that talks about how you set up the equipment, how you do the measurements, and what operating modes you run. Right now this is set up for a seated operator position, so the microphone is at the position. If you're sitting at the keyboard working, it would measure what sound you would hear. So the table is specified. The test modes that we run are idle mode. We exercise the hard drive. If it has an optical drive, we test that. We run a stress test on the CPU. Depending on if it has memory modules, we may do a memory stress test. And so the basic idea is that we work with the thermal engineers to get kind of a balance between keeping all the key components cool and then reducing the noise. So people don't, if you're working in a quiet environment, you don't need the laptop, or if you're working in an office, the desktop making excessive amounts of noise. So the other basic measurement that's done is a sound power measurement. For that we remove the table, and you see we have microphones all around it, so we capture the total energy that's being, the total acoustic energy that's being emitted by the device, in this case it would be the